You're watching EDS TV. I'm going to save this video to respond to all the commenters who have said, aim your dash cam lower, we don't need to see the sky, in the past. This was insane. I wouldn't be surprised if that Mustang came up in the left lane and then at the last minute decided to cross the solid white line to speed up and go around in the right lane, completely surprising the car trying to merge. The dude drove it like he stole it, probably because he probably did. Thankfully the camera had dashcam footage, which made the insurance claim that much easier. The white car was literally driving over parts just to get past. And that's sheer insanity. I see at least two idiots. The Mercedes driver should have braked way sooner, but they did actually come to a stop before hitting the Ford. The Kia driver is obviously the bigger idiot. "9 miles per hour is oddly specific. Like, why not an even 10? With that being said, pulling that stunt in your own neighborhood is a good way to get your car messed with.
Oh my god, don't go. Oh my god!
This is why I hang back when a semi-truck is turning. They will mess your car up and not even feel it. Never hang around them. I'm sure they hate when people do. The car is definitely at fault. They didn't have to do all that if they had just had a safe following distance. It looks like the car they hit also hit the car in front of them. Not a good evening for three drivers. I'm glad that the camera got out of harm's way just in time. The idiot was yelling at the camera like it was somehow his fault. I'm glad that the camera wasn't in the left lane. If I had to guess, this is one of either two things. Either someone's feelings got hurt because they thought that the camera was tailgating them, or it was a lousy attempt at insurance fraud. What upsets me about this is that they always continue with it and finish their merge. It's fine if they force you to steer away a little, accidents and mistakes happen, but the fact that they don't immediately go back to their lane after you honk is infuriating. The douche in the white car crosses a double solid line and has the audacity to act like somehow the camera is the one who's the problem. What in the world? I'm not sure what the visibility to the left is, and that car has its lights off, so I'm assuming it would be hard to see the actual car coming. But with all those police sirens and lights, it seems a little questionable for both the camera and the other car to go. Looks like someone just figured out why you're supposed to turn into the nearest lane, and to also wait for cars to clear the road. This is the good old Texas tie down, as Pops used to call it. If I were the camera, I'd check the tires, as that stuff might have had nails or screws in it. I'm not sure how it works there, but when you hit city property and cause real damage, like that was done here, and to not stay or report it means a hit and run, which can be a criminal charge. So they went from an insurance report to possible jail time and a criminal record.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Man, Pennsylvania just always has that certain look to it. You can always tell without any explicit context that that's where it is. The driver was seen just after the crash trying to push his vehicle downhill away from the scene. He was up walking, talking, and allegedly under the influence. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.